Okay, in this section we're going to be looking at the header and footer area. It is very, very simple. And what you're going to do is we're just going to start with header, footer, and then page number. But you click on header, and then it will come in with some built-in ones. You can get more headers from office.com. It will give you some options, but we're just going to use the basic ones. What a header allows you to do is kind of give you like a kind of like a title, but let's say you're making a menu or a resume. If you're making a resume and I were to put my name at the top, that is not my title. And the header, this is just the header. So if I close my header or footer, it just kind of blocks off the top, but I can still type below the rest of the header. And now when you look at a footer, this would also work well if you were making like a menu or a catalog and you wanted something at the bottom. We're going to choose the matching one to this one if I can find it. I'm hoping I find it. There we go, pinstripes. So, you know, you might, and it will also supply you with a page number that can be removed if you want, but you could write possibly maybe the phone number at the bottom. Okay, and once again, when you close it, it's at the bottom, but it's not like in the way, right? It's just part of the document that you can change by, you know, oops. To change it, you would go in footer and edit footer, and same with header. Edit header. The next part we're going to be looking at, I'm going to take the footer off for this part, is page number. So you can put it at the top of your page, the bottom of your page. You can have page margin, so as you can see here, the numbers over here, kind of off to the side, or the current position, like wherever you are in the page. I'm just going to work with bottom of the page. It usually gives you, you know, you can put it in the left side, the middle, or the right side, or an accent bar. So, you know, it would, this one it says 1 and it has a line, and then it says page. As you scroll through, there's different positions. You can have like a PG and then a 1. You could have page 1 of 1. You know, you could have fancy little things around it if you'd like. I'm going to try this one out. So, you know, there's page 1. Now, if we remember how to go, sorry, excuse me, if we remember how to go from the next page, or from one page to the next, you know, you'd be in your insert, blank page, there we go. So it repeats my header, and it also repeats the footer, but it increases the page number every time you go on to a new page. So again, if you were typing like a story or whatever, it would just continue to go down. So it's very easy to use, and it would be useful in many situations when writing menus, catalogs, flyers, whatever. So yeah, that's our header and footer section.